What's up, growers? You are not going to believe this. Check out these Instagram pages racking up millions of views with relaxing anime-style nature videos and making thousands of dollars every single month. Sounds wild, right? No cap, it's happening, and people are cashing in. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to hop on this trend, create viral content fast, and get that cash flow rolling in. And the best part? You don't need a script, a voiceover, or even insane video skills. Trust me, you're about to level up. Today, we're diving into some next-level sauce to show you how to create viral anime nature videos using AI tools. No joke, this guide will have you cranking out fire content in no time. Whether you want to blow up on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, I'm breaking down every step, so grab a coffee, open up that Google Doc, and let's do this. First things first, you need some killer prompts for your anime nature scenes. Copy the exact prompt from my video's description, then paste it into ChatGPT to generate 100+ prompts tailored to your needs. Customize them until it feels just right. Trust me, the prompt is everything. Got ideas? Drop a comment if you've been grinding to get the right one. It's a journey. Once your prompt is locked, it's time to get visual. Head over to the Leonardo AI website and create an account using your Gmail. Once you're logged in, you'll see some AI-generated images on the homepage, but we're here to create, not browse, so click on that Image Creation button. Next up in the Presets section, select Anime. You can try out different anime styles, but for this method, I recommend sticking with Anime General. It's the best for what we're going for. Set the contrast to medium, and for image dimensions, choose either the mobile ratio or TikTok to get those perfect wallpaper sizes. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT. Scroll through until you find the best anime nature prompts. It's got plenty of good ones. Copy any prompt you like, head back to Leonardo AI, paste it in, and hit that Generate button. Boom! Now you've got your results. If you're not feeling the vibe, don't worry, just copy a different prompt and try again until you're satisfied. Once you've got the perfect anime-style images, download the ones you like best. Now, it's time to bring those images to life and turn them into a video clip. You can use any image to video generator, but today, I'm rolling with Immersive AI, formerly known as Lepix AI. Once you're in Immersive AI, upload your image, and it'll automatically analyze it and generate 3D movement. And if you're feeling extra creative, you can customize the movements yourself. Want more control? You can tweak it until it's just right. After you've finished customizing, hit the Export button. On the next page, select the MP4 version. Heads up, HD quality is available only for premium users, so if you haven't snagged the premium plan yet, you'll need to go with the standard version. You've got a video. But wait, it's not just about slapping images together. We want a flow that feels natural. Next up, editing time. Whether you're using CapCut, Filmora, or another editor, this is where your video really shines. Adjust the timing, add transitions, and make sure every clip is crisp. For that pro touch, throw in zooms, pans, or subtle effects to keep your audience hooked. Remember, pacing is key. No one wants to watch a boring video, so keep it snappy. Vibes, my friends. Vibes. You gotta set the mood with some dope tunes. Mubert AI is perfect for generating royalty-free music. Head over to the Generated Tracks section and create a track by typing Nature Relaxing Music. Set the clip duration to around 10 seconds for that perfect vibe. Whether you're after a loop, mix, jungle ambiance, or something more upbeat to match your anime scene, Mubert's got you covered. Music isn't just background noise, it's what takes your video from cool to OMG, I gotta share this. So choose wisely, and let the AI work its magic. Finally, it's time to export. Make sure your quality settings are maxed out. Nothing worse than a pixelated video, right? Now, hit that upload button on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, but don't stop there. Promote it. Now that you've made your masterpiece, let's talk money. Start by offering freelance services for custom AI-generated videos. Tons of clients are looking for unique content like this. You can also sell high-res wallpapers of your anime images. People love stunning anime backgrounds. That's a wrap, growers. Follow these steps and you'll be cranking out viral anime nature videos like a pro, no cap. If this was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tips. Let's blow up together. Peace out.